Hi, and today we have taken a problem, easy problem, and mostly coming videos. I'll be doing ton of easy problems. And today we have given a string, and we have to remove all the vowels from that string. Okay, so let's see the test case. Uh, LeetCode is a community for coders, so we have to remove all A, E, I, O, U from that string. So E, O, E, I, A, O, U, I O O E. So after that it becomes this one. And if that particular, so nothing is, means everything is removed because every A is removed, E is removed, I is removed, O is removed, U is removed. So it becomes empty string. Okay. So what we are doing is we are traversing each character. If it is A E I O U, so we are moving to the next character. Okay. So simple. Take the empty string and then for C in S if C in A E I O U, then continue, and then else answer plus C and return answer. Okay, let's submit. Okay, 18% and 32 ms. This is concrete logic, concrete programming. Let's, for those who wanna go Pythonic, so we can return with empty string and join the list comprehension C for C in S if C not in A E I O U. Okay, this is Pythonic way that runs in 28 milliseconds. Okay, so pretty good, pretty easy question, but it's a conceptual how to iterate in loop, how to iterate these strings. So if you find something, please comment below. Thank you.